This is SimsLotto78, and I'm doing a $50 500X Spectacular, and it is on ticket 11. And again, I'm using my Sherry the Aggie coin, trying to pull some luck out of it here, and see what I can get off this $50 ticket. Haven't played one in a minute, so let's see what we can do here. The race car. And we have a race car here. Strawberries. No strawberries. Corn. We have a corn. Do we have one up top? You don't. Okay. The moonrise. We don't have a moonrise. Horseshoe. We have a horseshoe. The wheel. We have a wheel. The jackrabbit. We have a jackrabbit. Blue bonnet. We have a blue bonnet. We also have a blue bonnet up top. Football. We have a football. Fire. We have a fire. Cowboy hat. Let's see. We have a cowboy hat. Pecan tree. We have a pecan tree. Chili pepper. I don't see a chili pepper. No chili pepper. Covered wagon. No covered wagon. The spear. No spear. Ship. No ship. The cardinal. We have a cardinal. No cardinal up top. The spur. We have a spur. the rattlesnake. No rattlesnake. Mortar pestle. We have a mortar pestle. The mockingbird. Wow, no mockingbird. No mockingbird. The saddle. We have a saddle here. Okay. Cowboy. No cowboy. The horse. No horse. No horse. The cow. We have a cow. Okay, now we have a lot of possibilities. You can get the butterfly for 50. You can get the shoes for 500. The piñata for 1,000. Either one of those would be nice. So let's see. The hen. We have a hen here. All right, moment of truth. Here it is. Let's see. The oil rig. Got an oil rig there. But it's for nothing. So let's go up top and check our bonus spots. Nothing in the 1,000. Nothing in the 500. Nothing in the 200. Nothing in the 100. Hey, look at that. We got a 50. All right, now let's go check our multipliers. Nothing in the 500. Nothing in the 50. Nothing in the 10. Nothing in the 5. Come on, give me a 2 times for $100. 2 times for 100. Nope. But we got the 2 moons for $50. So we got our money back. It's not a loss. Ticket number 11. These hiccups are killing me. Thank you, Texas Lottery. My Sherry the Aggie coin has done well so far. $50. You can go to sherrytheaggie.com, pick up this coin here. It's a very nice coin.